Vijayadashami is one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus. This festival occurs in the lunar month of Aswayuja, which falls around October. We call this day as Vijayadashami as a recognition of victory of good over evil. Long ago, there was a demon called Mahishasura. Mahisha means a bison. Mahishasura was given the name as he was born in the form of a bison. Being a powerful demon, Mahishasura desired to conquer all the three worlds in the universe. He began to pray for Brahma to acquire a boon to fulfill his desire. As his penance continued for years despite of sun and storm, hunger and thirst, Brahma had to appear before Mahishasura. "No man in this universe should be able to kill me," was the boon obtained by Mahishasura from Brahma, because he was confident that no woman can ever fight with him. After obtaining the boon, Mahishasura broke loose on the universe and tortured everyone. Even the Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva were not able to restrain him. So they thought of finding a way to defeat Mahishasura. As there was a chance for a woman to kill Mahishasura, they wished to create a woman so powerful to defeat him. They combined their strength together and created the goddess Durga. They have gifted their weapon to her, who is ready for a fight with Mahishasura with not just 2, but 18 hands. Vishnu has given his Sudarshan Chakra, Shiva has gifted his trident, and Indra has granted his Vajrayudha to her. With such great weapons in hand, Durga mounted on a lion and started for a battle with Mahishasura. Mahishasura too is ready for the challenge. He attacked Durga with an army of millions of soldiers. He himself was fought with her in forms of lion, elephant and finally as a bison. But Durga and her lion was torn down the army of Mahishasura into pieces. After a fierce battle that continued for 9 days, Durga finally killed Mahishasura. The gods have celebrated the occasion, which is now continued as Vijayadashami. While the war continued for 9 nights, the festival days of Vijayadashami were called as Navratri. And as the victory was achieved on the 10th day, it was also called as Dussehra.